Okay, first go to your business.facebook.com, then you will find this one, partners, and go to right side, click add, click first one, give a partner access to your asset. Just click on it and put the business ID, my business ID, and this is not my business ID, I already sent on Fiverr my business ID. Just copy it and put my business ID from this and click next. Okay, then I need your pages access and add accounts access. So select all, this one pages, and select all, just give me full control. Then click next one, add accounts, then select all, then click full control. Okay, then click assign asset. Okay, just click on it. Yeah,